Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Art of Doing Less. Today I am talking about how to find your purpose and stay motivated. Imagine this: you wake up, stare at the ceiling, and feel nothing. No excitement, no drive, just another day, blending into the last. Maybe you felt this before. Stuck in a job you don't love, pursuing a degree because society said so, or scrolling endlessly, watching others live their purpose, while you wonder, what am I even doing with my life? But what if I told you, that's not your fault? And better yet, you can change it. The truth is, most people never find their purpose because they're looking in the wrong places. But by the end of this video, you won't be one of them. Point 1. Why most people never find their purpose. Let's start with the harsh truth: most people don't find their purpose, not because it doesn't exist, but because they expect it to magically appear. They sit around, waiting for a sign from the universe, as if their life is a Disney movie. But real life doesn't work like that. Unless, of course, you're Cinderella, in which case, congrats on the talking mice. Purpose isn't found, it's built. Think about the most successful people: Elon Musk, Oprah, even Steve Jobs. None of them woke up one day with a divine epiphany. They experimented, failed, adjusted, and then boom, their purpose emerged. So, if you're waiting for a sign, consider this video your wake-up call. But what if you have no idea where to start? Don't worry, I've got you. Point 2. The 3-step formula to discover your purpose. Finding your purpose doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a simple 3-step formula: interests, skills, impact. Step 1. Follow your curiosity. What topics make you lose track of time? What could you talk about for hours? Step 2. Identify what you're good at or what you're willing to get good at. Passion without skill is like a Ferrari with no engine. Looks nice, but won't take you anywhere. Step 3. Make it matter. Purpose isn't just about you, it's about how you use your strengths to create value for others. The most fulfilling lives come from contribution. But even if you find your purpose, there's one problem. How do you stay motivated when things get hard? Point 3. Why motivation alone won't save you. Here's a truth no one wants to admit: motivation is unreliable. It's like your gym buddy who hypes you up on Monday and vanishes by Friday. You can't depend on it. Unless, of course, you're one of those rare people who actually finish their New Year's resolutions. In which case, are you even human? Real success comes from discipline, showing up even when you don't feel like it. Think of motivation as the spark, but discipline as the fuel. But how do you actually build unshakable discipline? There's a secret method, and it's surprisingly simple. Point 4. The pain or pleasure hack to staying consistent. Your brain is wired to avoid pain and seek pleasure. The problem: most people attach pleasure to instant gratification, Netflix, social media, junk food, while associating pain with long-term success, waking up early, working hard, staying focused. But what if you reverse that? If you can train your brain to feel pain when you waste time, and pleasure when you push through discomfort, you'll rewire your habits for good. But sometimes, even discipline isn't enough. What if you're stuck in a rut, feeling lost? That's where the next step changes everything. Point 5. The future self visualization trick. Close your eyes and imagine yourself 5 years from now. You took no action, no risks, no growth. What does your life look like? Same job, same struggles, same regrets. Now imagine the opposite. You found your purpose. You built discipline. You created a life that excites you every morning. That version of you exists. But only if you start today. And no, starting today doesn't mean binging another motivational video. It means action. But what's the first step? I'll tell you right now. Point 6. The 30-day purpose challenge. For the next 30 days, do this every day. Write down one thing you learned, one thing you did that excited you, and one thing you did that helped someone else. This simple habit will reveal patterns and guide you to your purpose naturally. And here's the deal: if you commit to this for 30 days, you'll be ahead of 99% of people still waiting for a sign. And if you want an even deeper strategy to accelerate your growth, I've got something special for you. Subscribe for more actionable insights, and check out my next video where I break down the exact habits of the world's most successful people.